Alright, we're back with another video. So, the mister wanted breakfast. I don't know what kind of breakfast he wanted, but I'm about to make some breakfast on Thursday. When you watching this video, so I got my 2 eggs. I got my cheese. I got my hamburger buns. And I got my ham. No, this is turkey. So we're about to make the ultimate breakfast sandwich. So please make sure you stay tuned. The ultimate breakfast sandwich. Are you a breakfast fan? Comment below if you're a breakfast fan. Alright, so I'm about to, this is my buns. I've buttered the buns, both sides. And this is the meat that I'm going to put in there. I'm going to put this in the oven. Got my cheese. And got my cheese. And I'm going to do 2 things of cheese. 2 things of cheese. I'm going to do 2 things of cheese. And here are my eggs. These are the eggs. See, the eggs look amazing. Alright, so here we are assembling the ultimate breakfast sandwich. So I have paired it with some grits. And everything looks amazing. So here we go. Here I toasted the bread. Okay, toasted the bread. Going to, this is the bottom. This looks so amazing. Let's see if I can show you. Alright, so here is the ultimate breakfast sandwich. And then there's the grits. Oh my gosh, that looks so freaking amazing. Here's the finished product. Finished product. Charles, your lunch is ready. And there's the grits. That looks so amazing.